Hello,
Hi,
where are you from?
where you from?
I am from Bangladesh, and you?
Yeah, I came from Philippines, but I'm half American.
Oh, I see. America, nice country.
I came from Philippines.
So good. What's your name?
My dad, but my mom is Filipina. My mom is Filipina.
Hmm.
I'm Sandra.
What's your full name?
Sandra Maxwell.
Oh,
Sandra.
nice
Sandra
name.
Maxwell. And how about you? What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Abdullah Al Mamun.
Oh my God! Muhammad Abdullah
Al
Mahamun.
Abdullah Al
Okay.
Mamun.
Al Maham.
Yes, yes,
Abdullah Al Mamun.
yes, yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, my dear sister.
Abdullah. That's my brother.
What are you doing now?
Are you married? I'm here in my home. Nothing. I'm open this again. I open
No,
this.
I am single. I'm not married.
Oh, I'm single mom.
Oh,
I'm married, but my husband is died 7 years ago.
oh, so sad. Inna
Yeah.
lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun. Do you study or job?
I'm children. I'm not studying now. I'm already old. I'm old now.
What is your mother language?
Cebu.
Sigu
Cebuana, Bisaya.
Bisaya. I don't know this. I don't know about
Cebu.
this language.
Bisaya. Yeah. Native language.
Oh, I see. Do you know Bengali language?
Um,
Will you learn Bengali language?
English, English only. And how about you?
How about you? I will tell you this language Bengali.
Bang.
তোমার
I
খবর
don't know
কি?
how to speak. I don't know.
Tell me.
What is I like you. What is that? I like you.
You tell me. You tell with me. Uh, আমি tell me.
Ami,
তোমাকে
Tumaki. Ami
পছন্দ
Tumaki.
পছন্দ
Osundo. Oh my god.
করি
Tell me Osundo Kori.
আমি তোমাকে
Ami Tumaki.
পছন্দ পছন্দ
Osundo.
করি
Oh my god, I don't know.
It is so easy language.
This is not easy language for me.
I
Hi,
will
how are you?
I will teach you one sentence. I
I will
love
kiss you.
you.
What is that? What is that in your language?
My it is my mother language Bengali.
Bangoni. And then what is that? I love you.
Oh, আমি
Mm. Ami,
তোমাকে
tumake.
ভালোবাসি
Ami tumake. Huh?
ভালোবাসি
Ami tumaki halobashi.
ভালোবাসি
Ah, halobashi.
Yes, yes,
Ami tumaki halobashi.
yes,
Oh
yes.
my god.
All
Oh my
right.
god.
Your Bengali speaks so good.